Well, Afeni Muhammad reportedly left the McDonald's after a workplace dispute, returned through the back door wearing a hooded mask, and fatally stabbed her manager with a kitchen knife. This pattern of leaving, disguising herself, and re entering strongly suggest premeditation. In legal term, premeditation supports a first degree murder charge and generally it undermines the use of insanity defense, which requires evidence that the defendant did not understand the nature or wrongfulness of their action. However, the intensity of the violence and the use of a disguise and possible distorted perception may raise concern about psychological instability. If the defense introduce signs of delusion, paranoia, or impulsive control disorders, it could lead to a court ordered evaluation of her mental capacity or criminal responsibility. Additionally, Mohammed is reportedly being charged as a habitual offender, indicating multiple prior convictions. Perhaps, while a criminal record alone does not prove presence of mental illness, a repeated pattern of erratic, violent, or impulsive behavior may point to underlying psychiatric or personality disorders, such as borderline personality disorder, antisocial personality disorder, or trauma-related conditions. Courts sometimes consider mental health as a mitigating factor during sentencing, but not as a legal justification unless a formal insanity or diminished capacity defense is presented. As of her July 14 arraignment, there has been no public mention of a psychological evaluation. However, that may change at the upcoming probable cause hearing on July 23rd, especially if her attorney raises concern about her ability to understand charges or participate in her own defense. If competency is questioned, the court could order a forensic evaluation. If she is found incompetent, she would likely be transferred to a psychiatric facility until restored. If deemed competent, the case would proceed towards trial. Ultimately, this case will involve careful legal and psychological scrutiny, right? Of Muhammad's state of mind before, during, and after the incident. While mental health concern may offer insight into her behavior, the legal system still prioritizes intent, awareness, and responsibility. In the courtroom, understanding the why may inform context, but it does not erase legal accountability.